What's up guys, Mark here from VIP Shop Management. Before I start, yes, this update is ready. If you want to click on help and check for update to get this update, and it's basically a massive update again with the use of AI. I'm working on basically modifying all the pages, that hybrid page, basically that you're not asking a question and you're getting an answer. Those are like basically static pages, but they're beautiful pages. This button, nope, it's not ready yet. However, there's something huge is ready, and under dashboard it's rewritten completely, and you need to check this out because this is extremely important. I don't think I've ever seen this before, but you never know. Let's check it out. Let's click on here. And this is obviously protected by password. The owner can see that, or the admin can see that. And I rewrote the whole, with AI obviously, we wrote the whole page for dashboard to make it load faster, because it's not dependent on internet, probably like 1% depending on internet speed, so it doesn't really matter. But let's go now what's going on here. So we divide that, this is divided into two sections. And basically let's look at it first from basically a service writer mode. There is no password when the service writer click on it, and it opens up, and this is only shows the in progress estimates, in progress invoices, and fleet. It shows the margin right now, margin profit, and more importantly, it shows the technician right now. When you see it pending, whatever is in estimate, it's not ready yet, but active, whatever is invoices. So it will list every technician that you have right here, and it tells you how many hours, how many ROs, and the revenue that you're expecting from this. Underneath that, it's even something cool. Again, this is only service writer mode. Service writer will only see today's basically the whole day, how much he does, and like how much he made money. And that's very important for the service writer too, because he needs to understand, is he performing correctly or not. And in this page, you're gonna see like the closed invoices, the profit, and all of that total. And you're gonna see the technician, how they did it, who's performing the most, and who's doing better, and who's making more money for the shop. So there's technician performance right here, and there's technician load in progress right here. This is from in progress service writer mode. Let's look at it from the owner mode. Check it out. It opens with the year, the whole year for the owner or the admin, and obviously the in progress stays the same, but the net sales is different. It shows the whole year right here, and the whole year for the technician performance, and you can switch it back obviously to today, 7 days last week, and this year. Then probably will have it to go to any year he wants. But listen, this is what VIP Shop Management is doing is revolutionary. That's the only word I can describe this. It is revolutionary. This is turning everything into AI. If you look at the web pages that it's being designed, I don't think we've ever seen anything like it. This is like alien things. I do want to use the word alien, because the design of it is just so beautiful, easy on the eyes, and it's just amazing. These button right here, they're still all, except that one obviously, but they're all like disabled for now. Don't freak out. I believe by the end of the week we'll have the AI tool. Well, you can ask it anything. Hey, listen, which tire is I sold the most, how much, and all that. You can ask any question with AI, but that's a powerful tool. I can't just unlock it and give it to you without tuning it perfectly. We'll continue to tune things. I heard somebody says that there was problem inside summary. It's fixed in this one right here. It wasn't showing the correct summary, but now it is. Look at everything is like alien being written. I said before, and I continue to say, our weakest link has become our strongest link, and I promise you, Techmetric and the crew will follow us. But remember, VIP Shop Management will always lead, and they follow. That's how it is. So let's check this right here under margin. Beautiful things. Look at this. It's just everything is just beautiful, easy on the eye, and it's continue to empower the service writers and continue to empower the owner. These pages actually are web pages. Will be able to, I don't know, should we make it like open on the phone at some point, just the reports, I don't know, but we're building the other one too, so it doesn't matter, either or. But anyway, until next time, thanks for watching. Click on help and check for updates, and stay tuned for the final version of the AI. Ask any question. Yes, we will have another button right here, it's called AI, and that button will say, hey, I'm doing a water pump on this car. I'm doing water pump. You don't have to say on this car because we already have the information, and it'll fill in the lines, prices, hours, and everything. But that's that shift that everybody's scared from, that once we get this information, then what do I need all data for? And what is it called? I forgot the name of the company. It's right here, I believe. Motor. What do I need motor for? What do I need all data for? If I can, ask AI to tell me like the hours, the prices, and all that. That's coming up after that, but that's not right away. That's later on. Yes, you'll have an AI button up at the bottom here. You click on AI and you just type in the description. It'll fill up everything automatically. Until next time, I'm working on this. You see, I'm trying to make up for what happened for the past year, and I still haven't seen my daughter. Right now, the current situation in the government, something going on here. There is no government. There is no law and order. The fact that I haven't seen my daughter and she's destroyed, basically, she misses me. So I ask everybody to pray for my daughter to reunite with her father. It's disgusting. It's inhumane what's going on here in the state of Michigan. I want to put this in mind. So pray for me and pray for my daughter to reunite. Over 17 months, inhumane, injustice, inhumane. That it's not just in the state of Michigan. The whole country is going through some weird state. And no attorneys, over 200 attorneys can even fix the situation. It's a basically systemic problem, and till today they have no answer for me and for my daughter. Until next time, thanks for watching.